Today we're going to set up and install a Royal Sovereign RSH 380SL laminator. The laminator comes pre-assembled out of the box. All we need to do is plug in the power and turn on the machine. On the rear of the machine, on this side, we have the power switch. On the bottom, we have 3 buttons. We have a reverse button to reverse the rollers. Your red button in the center is your stop run button, and the S-D button is for single-sided, dual-sided lamination. By depressing this, you can see that the light goes on and off. If you're doing single-sided, the light should be off. If you're doing two-sided, depress the button and it'll be green, and that means that the top and bottom roller will heat up for two-sided lamination. Included in the carton, you will get the owner's manual on CD, a spare fuse for the laminator, some silicone elastics for the auto grip hubs in case one breaks, an Allen wrench to remove and install the auto grips, a dust cover for when the laminator is not being used to keep dust and dirt off the machine, and also a film leading card for doing two-sided lamination. Also included in the packaging is a set of 1-inch and 3-inch core adapters for your laminator.